Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do masking in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing that you can do is go into the Fusion page once your clip is selected, and here you can just select the media input, and then click Control Space and search for a smart or magic mask. Now, the magic mask is a tool only for the studio version. I don't have the studio version, I have the free one, so I won't be able to use it, as you can see. But that is pretty much, so if you draw a rough shape around the center of, for example, this horse, it's just gonna mask that horse automatically. You can then remove anything extra that might get into the mask by accident, but that is a very useful tool if you have the full version. Now, the way you can mask without the full version, you need to go into color, make sure this here footage is selected. Then you need to go into window. Once you're here, you can select linear, circles, polygons, curves, and etc, etc. I'm going to select the curve, and now that I've selected the curve, I can then go ahead and draw the mask around the horse. I don't really know why this is happening. It should do nose like that. For some reason it doesn't want to. It's not that sensitive, but if I zoom in, then I might be able to do something. This is glitching out for me. I really don't know why. This is the second time that it's done this. I'm really not sure or unsure as to why that happened. Let me select it again and try again, and as you can see, now I can go and mask around the horse, and I'm just gonna zoom out a bit. Then I'll do and for some reason it just connected there, but I'll do a rough shape around the horse so that I don't take too much time. And now that we've done that, is going to be our mask, and the area within the lines is going to be masked. With that, we can do a couple of different things. We can track it so that it follows the horse completely, and we can do that manually, which is quite a good thing to do. And we're going to do that after I finish masking. As you can see, I don't know why that curved like that, but let's say it's like this. I can go into tracking it. I can do it frame by frame. I can select frame, and then I can go ahead and go and across many frames and just move the mask around, and that's going to create keyframes in which the mask is actually going to follow the horse. And as you can see, if I edit it a bit more, and if I go a bit further, move the mask. Now, this is a very bad mask. As you can see, it's not covering the horse at all. But if I go ahead and move it around with the horse, as you can see, move it around just a bit. If I go to the beginning of the video and play it, that mask will then be following the horse, as you can see here. Again, it's a very ugly mask, but it serves its purpose very well. And now what I can also do is I can add an alpha output here at the right. As you can see, this is the node we're editing. Right click and click add alpha output and connect the blue square to the alpha output, and that will if I go back here, if I click this, it's gonna remove the horse or isolate it. I'm not sure why it's not doing that right now, but usually that is what it does. I'm really unsure as to why it's not happening right now, even though I have only one clip which I'm using. I'm really confused. This should usually just isolate the mask and make the mask appear by itself, but in this case it's not doing it. But you can try around and test it for yourself, and it might work for you. For some reason it's not working for me, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.